Hello, hey people, what's going on? Hope you're well and in good health. Welcome back to the channel. Okay, if you are new here, please do like, share, subscribe. Please consider joining the channel, supporting the channel, support us on Patreon, link in the description. Also, if you're watching on YouTube, do click the join button. Cost less than a cup of coffee. Support the channel, join the channel. If you're on TikTok, please do follow us. Okay, people, right now we're checking out a UK TN article, and this one's about the Treasury. That's the UK government Treasury. So it says here, Treasury's digital pound gets support from Innovate Finance. Let's find out a little bit more about that. So, fintech industry body Innovate Finance has said proposals to introduce a digital pound have tremendous potential to spur payment innovation in the UK. Innovate Finance submitted its views to a joint consultation by the Treasury and the Bank of England, which aims to determine whether the UK should build a state-backed digital asset and how this should be approached. The Bank of England said a central bank digital currency (cbdc) is likely to be needed in the future. Now, a lot of you have heard about CBDCs, some of you haven't, but there are a lot of governments right now who are looking to develop their own kind of, central banking digital currency (CBDC), and it's the thing now that's pretty much moving towards that in the next 5 to 10 years. You're going to see it happening. What does that mean for the average Joe on the street? The society, people out there. Will you have control of your money? Will there be a cashless society? In some parts of the world, it's already happening. I know in certain places, like for example in Asia, there's a big movement towards digitalization using apps, all this kind of stuff. You see in China, they use the We app and all this kind of stuff. There's less actual cash, physical cash. Now, a lot of us are used to cash notes and coins, and that's what we've been used to. But obviously, a digital version of that, we've already been using it in terms of the credit cards, the debit card, all that kind of stuff that we've already been using. Now, that is basically taking on its next route. What will that mean for us? Make sure you subscribe to the channel so you find out more when the time comes. We'll keep you updated. Article goes on to say, would be similar to a digital banknote issued by the Bank of England for use by households and businesses for everyday payments. So they want to make it, basically generalized to our society so everyone's using it, holistically. Okay. Innovate Finance is confident that the digital pound, alongside a broader ecosystem of digital payments, including stablecoin, will solidify the UK's position as a global leader in payment innovation, right? That's what Janine Hurt said, CEO of Innovate Finance. Now, the adoption of a retail digital pound, as proposed by the Bank of England, has a lot of, implications, but it also has the potential to stimulate innovation across various domestic markets, including rental and e-com, right? Foster financial inclusion, solutions to integration with a renewable digital ID, and significantly reduce the cost of making and receiving payments, right? Transaction fees, essentially, for SMEs across the country, right? Treasury and Bank of England launched a consultation in February to gather industry views and now have extended the deadline. Obviously, it's just gone past now, the last month in June. So, actually, this article itself was actually an old article in terms of, yesterday, but obviously you can see there's various elements there and whatnot. Because now we can see that, the digital currencies, the CBDCs, they're moving towards an element there, and you're potentially going to see it. In Nigeria, they restricted the amount of money you could actually take out from the cash machine when you go in, you put your card in, you take your money out. That was restricted, right? And people could only take out a certain amount of dollars. Just imagine that you're being restricted from taking your own money out, right? There's something to think about going forward in terms of where you are right now, what you need to do, and what you need to be aware of what's coming. Plan, prepare, and then act, right? And obviously, subscribe to a channel like mine and other channels out there that are bringing the information, knowledge out there to you, right, for free, essentially. This video, it doesn't cost you anything, it's free. But you can, take charge of your own life by basically being, in charge of your destiny, in the sense that start off with your health and fitness, getting the right body, getting in gym, building that muscle out there, and then also looking after yourself, and making money, getting your money right, not being a slave to the rest of society or the corporate world. How to do that is to get your money on point. Some people like myself trade in crypto, for example, have multiple businesses, real estate, and so on. Okay, people, please do subscribe to the channel. Please like the channel, comment below. Make sure you click the notifications bell. Catch you in the next one. Okay, gladiators, let's make some voila.